Welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking. On today's episode, I want to show you how I make pain au kebab. Now, I'm not making the bread recipe in this video. I already have a bread recipe ready to go. Go ahead and check the link down below. I'm gonna link the recipe down below for you, so you can make your homemade bread. And now I'm gonna go show you how I make the kebabs that goes in the sandwich, and we all love eating this when we go on shopping in Mauritius. So for the ingredient here, I have boneless chicken thigh. Now you can see I have left a little bit of fat over here because I want some juice. I want the chicken to be juicy, not dry. So I'm using boneless chicken leg instead of boneless chicken breast. You can use boneless chicken breast, but for me, I think this is better. It's gonna be more juicier than dry. And we need some plain yogurt. I'm using crushed garlic, and for the spices, cumin powder, coriander powder, paprika powder, chili powder, cinnamon powder, cloves powder, salt and pepper, extra virgin olive oil, half lemon. I'm just gonna use the juice of it. So to this bowl, we're gonna add the plain yogurt, garlic, just crushed garlic. You can make garlic paste, that's fine. Add all the spices, salt, pepper and everything. And now we're gonna give this a mix. Okay guys, now I'm just gonna squeeze a lemon. We're gonna use a juice. I'm using half a lemon. The lemon is like quite big enough, so half is enough. I'm using 3 pounds of boneless chicken. And then I'm gonna add oil, about 2 to 3 tablespoons. Now we're gonna give this a mix, and then I'm just gonna cover this with a plastic wrap. I have my plastic wrap ready to go here. You can just put a lid, make sure they are tight, and this has to go in the fridge for a minimum of 6 hours. If you want to make this like nighttime, you marinate your chicken and then you're good to go. Next day you're just gonna have to cook it. So for now, let me give this a mix, cover this and let this rest for 6 hours, and then we're gonna move to the next step. Okay guys, it's been 6 hours and my chicken is resting. And get ready a tray. I have put some aluminum foil, so the juice, when they bake, the chicken bake, it doesn't go on my tray. I have a rack here. This is just a baking rack, and preheat your oven to 425 Fahrenheit. Now this is going to go in the oven. We're just gonna, now I just leave the chicken into big pieces just like that. I didn't cut them because we are going to cut this later. So we're just gonna arrange this and make it fit. Okay guys, and now I'm gonna go put this to bake, and then I will see you when this is ready, and then we're gonna move to the next step. In the meantime, my chicken is baking. I'm gonna go make a sauce to go with it. For that, I'm gonna use half lemon, green chilies, garlic, some mint leaf. This is salt, sugar, water. That's it. So to my blender here, I'm just gonna chop everything, and I'm gonna add everything into my blender. Some mint, I'm gonna chop the chilies, and I'm gonna add to the blender as well. Now the lemon, I'm just gonna remove the top part and the skin. Just try to remove all the bitter part of the lemon and the seed as well. And then I'm gonna chop this lemon. Make sure there's no seed at all. And I'm gonna add this to the blender as well. Now add sugar, salt. I'm gonna add a little bit of water. And then we're just gonna blend this into a paste. Alright, so the sauce is ready, and now I'm gonna go check on the chicken. It's been an hour and a half already. Let's go check it. Okay guys, my chicken is ready. It took an hour and a half to bake, and this is how they looks like. See, this is why I put the aluminum tray in the bottom, so all these juices can stuck in it instead of the tray, so it's less easier to clean up. And I already have a piece here. Now to cut chicken, it's better to use an actual meat cutting board rather than a wood cutting board. And now I just want to cut the chicken. I have a bread toasting today. I'm gonna use store-bought mini baguette, but you can go ahead and check my recipe for the bread if you want to make everything homemade today. So let's just go ahead. Look, you guys can see how tender is this chicken as I'm cutting it. It is super soft and slightly crispy outside. I'm hungry. Okay guys, my bread already toasted, and now we just wanna assemble this. Put any salad do you want, carrots, cabbage. You can even put cheese, grated cheese, put anything. Today I'm leaving mine simple, and I'm just gonna add my sauce. Lots of chicken, and then we're just gonna add the main thing, which is the sauce. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video with me. Written recipe will be down below in the description box. This was your request, and hope you enjoy this. I'm gonna leave you guys. Just go ahead, get the written recipe. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.